What's up, everyone? It's Joe Bayer, and today we're diving deep into a topic that's crucial for any successful real estate investor: smart maintenance tips for small apartment owners. Managing maintenance effectively can be the difference between a smooth, profitable operation and a constant drain on your time and money. So if you're ready to optimize your maintenance strategy and boost your bottom line, stick around for some seriously valuable insights. The first big decision you'll face is whether to outsource your maintenance or hire in-house staff. Outsourcing allows you to pay for services only when needed, avoiding constant salary expenses, benefits, or training costs. Plus, you can tap into specialized professionals for specific tasks without long-term commitment. In-house staff means more direct control over their schedule and the quality of work. You can build a team that knows your property inside and out and can respond quickly to tenant requests. The best approach depends on factors like the size of your property, your budget, and your personal preferences. Do you value flexibility and potentially lower costs, or more control and faster response times? Once you've decided on your approach, it's time to master the art of negotiation with vendors and contractors. Establish long-term contracts with trusted vendors for routine maintenance to lock in lower costs and ensure consistent quality. Shop around and get multiple quotes before committing to a contractor. Compare prices, experience, and customer reviews to get the best deal. Pro tip: always negotiate on more than just price. Prevention over cure: the power of proactive maintenance. Unexpected repairs are a landlord's worst nightmare, costly, time-consuming, and disruptive. Prioritizing preventative maintenance is crucial. Addressing small issues before they snowball saves money and headaches. Regular checkups for your property are like regular car maintenance, cheaper than major repairs. Ensure your contracts include regular preventative maintenance tasks to extend the lifespan of your building systems and minimize emergency repairs. Case study: landscaping made easy. Imagine you have a small apartment complex with a decent-sized yard. Hiring a full-time groundskeeper can get expensive, especially with seasonal demands. Outsourcing your landscaping to a third-party company can handle everything from weekly lawn mowing to snow removal at a predictable, often lower cost. Plus, you won't worry about equipment maintenance, insurance, or finding replacements. Outsourcing your landscaping frees up your time and mental energy to focus on other aspects of your business. It's a smart, cost-effective solution. Crunching the numbers in-house versus outsourcing costs. Identify all your regular maintenance tasks and how often they need to be done. Calculate the cost of hiring in-house staff, including salaries, benefits, taxes, and additional expenses. Get quotes from potential vendors or contractors for comparison. Weigh the costs and benefits of each option. Consider the flexibility, control, and response times each approach offers. Make an informed decision based on your specific needs and budget. Wrap up maintenance mastered. So there you have it, smart maintenance tips to help you maximize your returns as a small apartment investor. Effective maintenance is about balancing cost effectiveness, quality of work, and minimizing surprises. Whether you outsource, hire in-house, or a combination of both, prioritize preventative measures, negotiate competitive contracts, and stay organized. Trust me, your bank account and your tenants will thank you.